We talk less and we listen more. It is a program where we've come to hear your concerns. We started this about a year and a half back, and we have visited almost close to 10 to 12 blocks now. And the response has been very, very positive. For the first time, people feel that administration and governance has come close to them. When we have programs like these, I'm not promising that we can do everything, because we can't. I'll be very frank. We cannot solve all problems. But if we fail to even listen to your problem, then we are failing in our duty as public representatives and as a government to be able to fulfill our commitment to you and to be able to provide better facilities and better infrastructure.
Ngidon arpoi teli ki PHC plus ki ba ngi la ajet na bentakan ni state. Na kita ki arpoi teli iser ai arteli hamau kan block. Pidebat ajik tap ketia kata.
So in 3 months' time this will start. There will be 2 PHC pluses, as I said, 1 additional doctor in board, 2 additional nurses, 75 lakhs of additional investment and 10 additional beds in each one. So both those PHCs will be expanded. Thank you.
Kani kalai kemudian hapo kaniga konsumsi bagi jingi berakui kali bapla hadu kata-kata. Ti parabor ngi ma di jingi akbede bagi jingme lai.
Then the whole area will be affected. That is one reason. Then 33 line from Blacksmith to Jongsha is very old.
So through that project, one of your main connection line, the renovation is already been allotted. So the company has already in fact got the work order, and they are.
So because people here in Maukonro, most of the students come from poor families.
Pulih ha kaneka school ka longkum ki school GNV EMRS school ki longkum ki school.
From the things like I know the local MLA, I'll tell him to give some from his MLA scheme. Yes. Or the FPO, a soft loan has to be taken. Means we give you interest-free loan, so you don't have to pay interest. So only the capital, the principal amount you will pay, and whatever it will support. It's about 8 lakhs total. So put 4 lakhs. What is the size of the capacity of the storage?
Some of them are less than 5 tons.